Hey guys, so welcome back to DelfStack, and this is how to fix Chrome ERR SSL key usage incompatible. So guys, if you ever encounter this, what you could try to do first is you could try different browser like Firefox, Opera, and that might fix the issue. Another thing is you could just simply go to your Chrome and then go ahead and search for Chrome double colon slash flag. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and search for quick. So from here, you will have the option experimental quick protocol. And you could just simply go ahead and select disabled over here. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and select relaunch at the bottom right corner of the screen to fix the issue. Now, another option that you could try is make sure you have the latest firmware of your router so you won't have any issue of this. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.